Working with Artem and his crew was easy. The communication was great. Artem worked hard to help me put together a team that resulted in a successful resolution of our storm damage claim. Helped us at every step, and it couldn't have worked out better.
It's been a fantastically good result for our association. I can't say enough about Foremost. They did a great job when things were going well. And the best thing that you guys did was communicate with us so that we all could stay on the same page, make things happen, and complete what for us has been a wildly successful project. So absolutely, I would recommend you. Because you're the most responsive, you have the best communication, we could contact you immediately, resolve issues immediately, and that was critical for getting everything done on time and in a fabulous result for us. So absolutely, I would recommend you.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure working with you.
So, would you recommend us again?
Absolutely. I mean, I couldn't imagine it couldn't have gone better. So no, I was thrilled with Foremost, and it turned out great.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
I really
thanks, Artem.
appreciate it. Thank you.